Outside of India, people enjoy Indian soap operas for their ridiculousness and comedy. You'll laugh out loud at this Nigerian-made spoof of an Indian soap drama. The video was shared 5 days ago on Paul Skada's Instagram account and has already received 2.20 lakh views. In the video, Raju, the husband, is seen off by his wife Pragya and her sister Tanu. Tanu notices Pragya falling and shouts as she goes upstairs. Tanu calls Raju on his phone and he runs in slow motion to save his wife Pragya.
Oh, my husband Raju. You're going to work? Okay. Is your husband going to work? Yes, my sister Tanu. My husband is going to work. Okay, bye-bye, husband. Let me call on Jay.
Hello?
It's Pragya. She's falling down from the stairs.
Pragya is falling.
Yes.
Is she falling?
She's still falling down. Look how Pragya is there. Pragya.